Do you want to know how you can switch profiles on your Amazon Prime Video account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can switch the profiles on your Amazon Prime Video account. Let's go ahead and start. Open Prime Video, which is on your phone. Now you can see the profile option. Go ahead and tap on it. You can see the profile option on the right hand side. After you tap on it, on the left hand side you can see your profile and you can see something called switch profiles. Tap on it and you can see some of the profiles available to your account. Let's suppose I want to tap on this profile. I'll just go ahead and tap on it and you can see this is another profile. Let me show it to you once again. Tap on your profile on the top right hand side and tap on switch profiles and tap on the profile which you want to enter. Go ahead and enter your PIN if you have written one, click continue, and there you go. This is how easily you can switch profiles on Amazon Prime Video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.